The startup opened up several commercial kitchen spaces that it rents out to chefs.
I founded Nimbus out of personal need. I was looking to launch my own food business and couldn't find a commercial kitchen space to operate out of. Food businesses come to us, they rent kitchen space that is turnkey, ready for them to come into, but they're renting it on a longer term basis. So our typical rental starts at a 6-month term and goes up to multi-year contracts. So we take care of utility payments, grease trap cleaning, pest control, all of the maintenance that goes into running a kitchen. That's all baked into the price.
We needed to have a place that was DOH compliant where we could launch happy boards and bring cheese and charcuterie on demand. We met several kitchens and restaurants to try to figure out what would feel like a home. Where could we go? And with Nimbus, we toured their locations and found the community, the vibe, the infrastructure ready to go, plug and play. We were able to launch happy boards in under 30 days.